Jingle bells, jingle bells.
Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome to Vlogmas, welcome to the last few days of Vlogmas. It is currently the 20th of December when I'm filming this, but I think you're gonna see it on the 21st. But anyways, December has just flown, let me just say that. Like, December was a very busy month for me at work, and because of that, and Vlogmas, and workouts, and me being sick a little bit of the month as well, it just sort of is all in shambles, and it just went like that. Like, I don't remember when 1st of December was, but at the same time I feel like it was yesterday. It is such a weird feeling. I'm sure a lot of you can relate. But anyways, today is another work day. I know I've had most of my days work days, because guess what, I have a full-time job, so 9 to 5 is a work day for me. But today I think we're gonna do some other things as well. One thing that I'm looking at the moment, and then I might and hope that I could do if it's not raining anymore, is I want to go into the garden and tidy some of these up. So I want to throw away these dried plants, just arrange some of these, maybe throw that bottom up so it doesn't fill with water anymore, tidy that twigs up, and just, you know, just do a quick tidy. And then I think tonight I'm gonna cut my hair. I've been cutting my own hair. I mean, I've done it once, but still, it was alright. So I think I'm gonna do that tonight. And maybe I'll do my nails as well for Christmas. They're gonna be really simple. I'm just gonna do a nude because I don't wanna go all out. I'm gonna cook a lot in the following days, so I don't wanna ruin my nails at the same time. And yeah, we'll see what else the day has for us. Right now I have a call, and then I have another almost 2-hour call later in the day that I need to prep for, and then we're gonna do what I've just mentioned. Just did a tiny afternoon walk as well, just to get some steps in today, even though it's drizzling a little bit, but it's not too bad. I have got a new delivery and we're gonna open it together. I know exactly what it is. I've ordered this a couple of days ago, but I always thought it is quite exciting opening packages on camera. I don't know why, maybe just because I've seen so many like unboxing videos throughout the time. But apart from cardboard and paper, I've got some skincare and some body care and stuff like that. Usually when I buy like face cream and stuff like that, they all run out at the same time, because I'm usually getting the same things for both like morning and night, and they just run out eventually at the same time. So let me get the body wash out of the way. I got a new a new bottle of the shower gel that we're usually using. We are using this Adri shower gel. It's really good for sensitive skin. My partner has very sensitive skin, so this is perfect for him. It's like a baby product, so it's for a really sensitive skin. But we got this. And then I wanted to try something from a new, I mean, not a new brand, but a brand that I've never tried before when it comes to skincare, and that is e.l.f. I got, well, 4 products, but actually I need to return one because I didn't realize that I added 2 of the same, and they sent me 2 and I only need 1, and they had an offer when you get 3 for 2, so there's no point in me stocking up on this even before I know I want it and I like it. So I need to return 1 of this, but the other 3, oh, this is a bend. Hope this is fine. Oh, I got a Holy Hydration Hydrogel Moisturizer. This is with hyaluronic acid, peptides, and it's meant to be like a nighttime sort of very moisturizing gel. So hopefully this will be good for my skin. I forgot which products I bought for nighttime and which ones are meant for morning, because this is, no, this is for, yeah, this is for daytime. This is a triple bounce serum with hyaluronic acid as well. It's called Holy Hydration. They're all part of the Holy Hydration range, and I thought this is perfect for winter, because usually in winter you have more dry skin. So this is a serum. And then I got a face cream as well, and I got a face cream that has a 30 SPF as well. And yeah, it's just a face cream again with hyaluronic acid and peptides. Let's see how... it doesn't smell very fragrant. Oops, I didn't know they had this, but I love it when skincare products don't smell a lot, because that means that they don't have a lot of fragrance, which is good. Okay, it being a gel, I don't know why, but I thought it would... Oh, this is really moisturizing. Wow. Again, it has that sort of... I don't know what kind of fragrance that is. It's very minimal, but it sort of smells clean. And then we've got a serum, which I'm just gonna apply a tiny drop just to see how it is. Oh, it feels so good. It's so smooth. Oh, I love it. Okay, this hand is gonna be extremely moisturized. I've only applied like one bit, and I've moisturized literally the entire hand. It's so soft at the moment. And there's such a difference between them as well. It is a bit sticky. I think it's because of the serum, but I've just applied it like I would assume it absorbs into the skin quite fast, because it's very lightweight. They both feel very, very lightweight, which is really, really good. And yeah, this is my package. These are my new skincare products that I'm gonna try on in the next couple of months. And I like to keep a very, very minimal skincare routine. I don't like to overcomplicate things, because sometimes I even forget to do my skincare. So having it really, really minimal helps me in actually doing it. So I have a moisturizer, I have my SPF, or I have a moisturizer with SPF, especially in winter when it's not that much sun anyways, and I don't go out as much. And then I have my night routine, and then I have a serum and a exfoliant here and there, but not all the time. And that is it. And now I'm gonna go back to working a little bit more, because my work day is not done yet. Then I'm gonna make dinner, and I don't think I'm gonna cut my hair anymore today or do any of the other stuff, because I've been working the whole day. Super fun days with me. Good morning, everyone. Last evening I forgot to film an outro because I played on the Nintendo Switch with my boyfriend until about 1 a.m. and then we played some League of Legends. So it was a game night, and I love the sort of easiness around Christmas where you can do whatever, even though, well, I still have to work today and tomorrow, so it's not done, but I feel like it is. But anyways, I just wanted to end this vlog so I can start the next one, and wish you all guys a lovely day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Well, you're actually seeing me in the same place, because I'm just about to start a new vlog. See you later. Bye.